Hey everybody, this is Captain Phillip, and we have a very quick tour of a live fireworks show. The City of Angels was ablaze with fireworks for the 4th of July.
Perfect.
However, this led to a very busy night for the LA Fire Department as they responded to over 30,000 calls. We hope you enjoyed the tour today. A special thanks for @Stokely.JPG for the footage. Check out his Instagram page, link in the bio. Also, check out some of our other aerial tours. Thank you for flying with Airworthy Tours, and we look forward to seeing you on our next flight.